Okay, let's see. Recently I did a job for a couple of older gentlemen. One was 81, the other one was 83. And in their garage, they had a 1966 Chevrolet grain truck. Had originally been a vault truck. And I did some work for them, and I picked this up in the deal as part of the payment. And here it is. It's got a nice rack on it. It has a tarp, but the tarp is pretty shot. It has a dump. It has the driver's side window is cracked. I'm going to see if I can get a clear photo of it here, of the cracks in it. Right there. But it's not shattered. It's very solid still. The truck, they informed me, has a brand new engine in it with less than 8,000 miles. The tires got some decent tread on them. They're pretty fair. The body's in pretty decent shape except for a little bit of rust down there on the corner. Little jam in that door there. Has a 4-speed with a 2-speed rear that when I drove it home seemed to work just perfectly. The grain box has a gate on the back of it where you can either open this smaller door with a bigger door on top of it. There we go. And you look in at the floor of the box, looks pretty good. I'm going to raise it up after. We'll see how it goes. It also has a small crank here, right next to where the tarp rolls on. The crank raises the whole door. Get a better look in there. Looks pretty decent. A little bit of, see the coon's been in the back there. There's some chip pieces and whatnot. The box is really solid on the inside. Really nice shape. Chain going across it. Tarp rails. Get the tires on the other side here. See if we can zoom in on them. Pretty decent. The rest of the glass is okay except for that one window in the front, and the two original mirrors have small cracks in them. The driver's side's missing a little piece on it, but it looks pretty decent. A really nice looking truck. There's the, get the tread on the other front tire. There we go. Pretty decent.
Show them the inside.
Lights, windshield's good.
The lights on the top don't work.
Grill's all intact and nice.
The top don't work.
Call Raid.
Red, come on. Come here, Red.
Really nice looking truck for its age. Perfect for restoration. The new 350 engine, they claim was put in at the Chevrolet dealer. See if I can get the tag here. There we go. There are no leaks that I can see. The battery is brand new, and that has June 2nd of 14. It was bought and put in the truck. We're gonna fire this truck up now.
Stupid dog.
Got the dog, likes to ride. The cab is in really decent shape. Has the original seat. No rips, no tears. Nice inside in the cab. It's good and solid. Little bit of rust around the window frames. The top of the windshield frame, can't really see it too good. They put some tape on it. Looks like it started to leak, and then it rusted out around the top of the windshield. It's not through to the outside. The odometer shows, where the heck is it? I don't know if I can see it. There it is. No. There it is. Hasn't even put 9,831 miles and 8/10. They say the motor's got less than 1,000 miles on it. We're gonna start her up here. Give her a little choke. It's about 75 degrees today. Pretty sure you can hear it. Runs like a top. We're gonna pull the PTO in. Can't even hear that. Gonna engage the dump body.
Go.
And there the dump goes up. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Twin cylinders underneath. Might have to pull it ahead a little. I got a wire up there.
She stopped.
No, not yet. It didn't stop. There, that's about up all the way. I'm going to put the PTO out now. We'll see how long it sits up there. PTO's out. Body's staying up. It's really good under the truck. You can see there's no leaks. They did a really nice job on this box. I'm not the best at filming, but cylinders are nice, nothing wrong with them. Hoist is in good shape, no cracks, no welds. Oil's clean, drive shafts are good. Cab mounts are good. Just a little bit of surface rust on the back there. Not much at all. You can see where they painted the box on the window. Back whenever they built it, I have no motor is all right. I didn't ask him, but I would imagine there's a new clutch with an 1.5 inch play on the pedal. 4-speed with a 2-speed rear. I checked it yesterday, works good. Move it in the truck. Brakes are good. Still keeps no smoke. Perfect vehicle if guy wants to do a restoration. There we have it. 1966 Chevrolet. Good shape, rolls down the road, nice box, dumps. Like I said, the tarp is shot. But there it is.